Good day, everyone. We're the Group 1, and for today, we're going to discuss and present our product, which is the hard hat.
Hard hats. A hard hat is an essential component of personal protective equipment or PPE that shields the head from falling objects, impact from electric shocks or heavy blows, and other types of head trauma. Different types of hard hats were made to protect us from specific sets of hazards. There are commonly two types of hard hats. Type 1, which is the standard for North American workplaces, and Type 2, which is more common in European countries. The difference is that Type 1 hard hats protect only the top of the head, while Type 2 hard hats resembles a helmet and provide protection not only on the top of the head, but also on the side of our heads. Full brim hard hats provide some additional protection against the sun and may also shield the face from rain. We also have the type G and E that helps us in electrical hazards.
Good day, this is Philip Perseo and I will explain the specific problem or issue that this innovation will address. A crash detection hard hat addresses a specific problem that an ordinary hard hat cannot, which is the ability to detect and respond to impacts that may result in head injuries. An ordinary hard hat can only protect the worker from falling objects or other hazards, but it cannot detect when an impact has occurred or alert others if the worker is unable to do so themselves. A crash detection hard hat, on the other hand, can detect when an impact has occurred and alert others through an alarm or signal to a central monitoring system. This allows for a timely response and the ability to initiate appropriate medical care even if the worker is unconscious or unable to call for help. Overall, crash detection hard hat can help to reduce number of head injuries and fatalities among workers in high-risk industries by providing a early warning system for impacts, enabling a prompt response and also providing data to improve the working conditions.
This product has a crash detection sensor feature. Crash detection in a hard hat is a safety feature that uses sensor to detect when a worker wearing a hard hat has been involved in an impact. This feature can be integrated into the hard hat itself or a separate device worn by the worker. In the event of an impact, the sensor will trigger an alarm or send a signal to a central monitoring system to alert the others that the worker has been injured. Some systems may also GPS tracking to quickly locate the worker and provide emergency responders with their location. This feature is designed to enhance the safety of workers in high-risk industry such as construction, mining, and logging. Because of the technology we put in our product is very expensive, and the regular worker cannot buy it, and it can only afford by the large companies.
Good day, everyone. I'm Jared Andres Limuo, and I'm going to discuss the benefits to its target and users. So, hard hats are a specific type of safety helmet designed to protect workers from penetrating injuries, electric injuries, and forceful head impacts that can be caused by flying or falling objects. The benefit is that they are used for protection against head injuries. Since it reduces the possibility of suffering a head injury, it can be used as protection against fall and slips. Additionally, it can increase the employee visibility because workers sometimes work at night or during the day in a working environment, making it easier to tell them apart from bystanders. Additionally, it helps to shield your neck and upper chest from any dangers on the job site. Now let's move on to the differences of the product to the existing product. Number one, it is installed by the technological system, including GPS and crash detection sensor. Number two, it is more expensive since that it uses high quality material to withstand the impact to the helmet. And lastly, it is a lot bigger and heavier rather than the normal hard hat since that it is installed by the system. And that's all.
So, there are two types of operating principles that inspired us to do this innovation. The first one is creativity. It is essential to the development of novel products and services. When faced with a pertinent topic in an appropriate environment, employees at your company are sure to offer their input and propose viable solutions. As a business person, You must be sensitive to the varying requirements of your employees and know how to motivate and inspire them to do their best work. The second one is courage. Without the bravery of a few, many of the greatest innovations of our time might have never seen the light of day. It's important that the folks you work with have the confidence to make the call occasionally. If the company wants its employees to take risks and try new things, it needs to foster a culture where mistakes are accepted as learning opportunities. Thank you.
That's all for today. Thank you for listening.